I mean, come on. The neon pink is a little overboard. Hey everyone, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I'm here tonight with my Louis Vuitton collective haul. This is from the vlog where I went into Bondi Junction, Louis Vuitton to visit the manager there, my SA, Wilfred. And if you watch that vlog, thank you so much. I'll link it below if you haven't seen it. I picked up a few goodies with him, which I'm going to unbox with you guys. And it's collective because I also do my online order on phone order, I should say, with my client service manager SA, Danny. If you saw that vlog, thank you so much. I will also leave it below and I will show you my goodie that he got for me in like less than 24 hours, like overnight. He got it for me on the phone. So if you're ever in a pickle, hit up Danny. So yes, tonight should be interesting. My babies are here. I'm pretty sure this will be chopped in and out because I'll be having to do mum duties and luxury blogger duties. Should we start with Bondi Junction? Yes, I think we should. Definitely. That was the first vlog. Okay, I get that the orange doesn't really work well with the neon pink sweater. Cute. But we'll have to ignore that. So yes, first item is in this box. He packaged it so cute with the little gold leafing card there, and as a it's a gift card. So if you were to be gifting this, you put a little message in that. Although no one has gifted these to me, and no one ever would. So in the magnetic box down inside, if you watch my vlog, is this guy. And the cute little Louis Vuitton dust bag here. And I picked up the packing cubes in the small, hang on, let me see if I can get the code, because a lot of people in that vlog were like, what are these? I have no idea. So this is the packing cubes that essentially are designed to go inside and organize yourself inside a Horizon. Because the Horizon luggage doesn't have any compartments, that's what they designed these for. And they are super soft and pliable, if you saw that in that vlog. But this is the smaller size and it's a lot more structured, so I definitely wanted to grab it. Wasn't particularly sure what for, but this is all to add to my beauty, cosmetic, travel, makeup, everything collection of simply monogram toiletries and pouches and cases. I did have other prints, but I sold them because I just wanted to compile like completely iconic pieces of just monogram and have all my makeup and toiletries in that. And I do use them daily. I don't just wait until I travel. So getting you a shot here, you can see it there. So it's got the beautiful zipper. So it's a zipper top, kind of like a trunk style, I would guess. You have the two little vachette tabs on the back and it's a beautiful zipper pull. It's the shiny golden hardware and it's like a little bit bigger. So that's nice. This is I would say the most structured one. The medium size and the large size were quite unstructured. They kind of collapsed a bit more. You maybe pack cubes in those. There is the inside. So it is a fabric interior. So to put my makeup in here, this is where Samorga bag organizer is amazing because you can custom make to the dimensions. So what I will end up doing is getting the exact dimensions off the site, sending them through to Samorga and getting a little liner made up, you know, maybe in the dark brown or whatnot. So there's a textile card. I will tell you the prices as I always do, so I'll give you the code. But to protect it, obviously, from what I'm going to put in there, because it's makeup, I don't have a fabric lined pouch yet. It's all that toiletry wipeable material. So this technically isn't great for makeup needs. However, look, Jerusha pushes the boundaries, okay? In here is item number 2, again with the cute little card. Very pretty with the little foiling it's actually so pretty. So it's got all the Lucky Charms, you know, the collection that's around at the moment, the Lucky Charm collection. Okay, so ta-da! In this one, in this dust bag, beautiful dust bag, Louis Vuitton, I did in fact get the medium size. So see, you can see it's a lot more crunched down, but having a custom made smorgasbord bag organizer just as a liner will totally solve that problem. But I'll just pull it all out for you now. It is so soft and pliable. It's definitely the new, you know, thinner canvas, to which in the beginning I really wasn't a fan. I thought it was, you know, far too pliable, far too smushy, and that it was going to, you know, it just didn't look like good quality, rather than say, oh, here. My Eva clutch is the old school canvas. Like, it is hard, girl, compared to this. Okay, look, until I stuff it, that's not gonna, it looks like a bit of a pancake. So essentially it's the same makeup. We've got two little vachette tabs on the back to pull the zip around, and the zipper pull is the same beautiful, beautiful shiny hardware, and then inside the same layout. So top, flap, these are both made in Italy. So you can see once it gets sort of, it gets its shape, here's a textile card, once it gets its shape and is filled, once I get a little organizer in there, it'll pop straight up, which is nice once I start using it. So this is the medium size. And then if you watch that vlog, there's the large size, which is really, really quite large. You know, it's much more convenient for travel, whereas this obviously I'm using for daily use and for makeup needs. So doesn't look very appealing, but that's my second item. All right, and my last item from that vlog, from the trip to Bondi, is in here with a little card. And if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, my beautiful nanny, if you've watched my vlog, she's our part-time nanny and manager of our restaurants, Mel, unboxed this on IGTV. So if you watch that, you know what it is. And if you watch the vlog, you know what it is as well. But it came in this box, and all I can say is fourth time lucky. Here it is, my new, brand new 2019 monogram pochette Métis. If you have not been following my channel, you probably haven't heard me say that I had a defective pochette Métis with the glazing, if you know that, yada yada. I took it to the boutique. Wilfred said it's defective, we're taking it. What, do you want to choose another bag? I was like, no, I want a pochette Métis. He was like, okay, I'll put you on a wait list like for it. He said either or, meaning reverse monogram on the top with monogram or all over monogram. He said an all over monogram will not come in. And that was a while ago now. Like, I was probably 7 months pregnant, maybe a bit more. Yeah, 7 months, 6 months pregnant. And he said it won't come in for a long time. It is a long time. So Zacky's now 4 months. So yeah, 4 or 5, 6 months this took to come in. But I did choose a reverse instead. I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. I love the reverse monogram, but the actual bag itself, don't get me wrong, if you've got one out there, awesome. I don't know what it was. It felt cheap. It just felt way too flimsy. This is supple, but that one I don't know, okay? It was something. So here it is, and my gosh, it is stunning. It is really beautiful. It really, really is, because if you've followed me, you'll know I had this originally in the original model, which had the tassel, and it was a lot harder. It was like a boxier kind of canvas. It was really like a little trunk. Then I sold that because I wanted it to be the softer model that then came out, this one without the tassel. And then that was the recall, so that got recalled. Then I purchased from Fashionphile, that was the recall of a monogram, then the reverse monogram, and now this one. And this has to be the like most beautiful one I've got. So it's got Louis Vuitton on the handle. You won't see that, it's way too light in here because of my lights at night. It's got the beautiful little pull tab. I'll take this off. Beautiful little zipper pull here, which is the key, like the key zipper pull. I miss this zipper pull so much from my delightful GM, the original model. I thought of getting that bag back actually. God knows why, but I just loved those zippers on the front. So here it is in all its glory. You all know the Pochette Métis so well. So we've got our little accordion tri-pocket there. This guy was made in France. Most to all of Pochette Métis's are, maybe unless you're in the US. Here is its crossbody strap. So there we go. There is nothing, okay? Nothing like this microfiber lining. I'm sorry, there's nothing. I also miss my Montaigne because of this lining. I considered getting it in the BB size just for a point of difference, because this is just amazing. There is no other better lining than this. Truthfully, from Louis Vuitton, nothing. And it kills my soul that they do the Montaigne oh my god, monogram empreinte with the grosgrain lining in the stripes. Kills me. For the price of that bag, it should be this. Like, this is so decadent and beautiful. So we'll pop this strap on. It's also a much more pliable strap rather than that. My model that got recalled was a real whip. Like, it was that stiff one. So this is a lot more pliable, which I was super happy about. Gorgeous hardware there with Louis Vuitton engraved on it. And your settings, this is, to have this bag back in my life. And I'm so happy I showed it to you guys. I have not used it, promise, because now I'm gonna use it. I missed it so much. It is, you know, I've raved about this bag. I've raved about it as much as I raved about the Speedy B 25 pretty much, because it's just so user-friendly. And until you get your hands on it and you feel that, whether it's in the canvas models or in the empreinte models, it's just one of those bags you can just throw on and go and not be concerned. So that is my third item that I picked up from Wilfred from that vlog. Thank you for watching. Let's share the prices. Alrighty, so this, let's tell you, oh my god, what they, you know, the change of receipts, I've heard about it. People are not happy. But you know what? Maybe they could be doing this whole like Coles supermarket style receipt because they're doing something with their paper receipts, like upgrading them or something. Who knows? That's wishful thinking, right? Alrighty, so the small cube came in at $640 Australian. The middle, so that's the PM cube. The middle size cube came in at $735. So that's the MM, and then the Pochette Métis is still 200, Jesus, yeah, right, $2,540 here in Australia. It still is, and when I say that, it's because for such a sought after bag, listen, I am so surprised they just didn't realize that, look, people will queue up and pay whatever it takes to get this bag, and it stayed in that kind of level. When I purchased my first model of it, I can tell you that was $1,890. I remember it, but it was way back when. But still, I just, going up, that's fine. And the prices go up, I get that, but it's still kind of an okay price to grab this bag from Louis Vuitton. Okie doke, finishing up this collective haul in this shopping bag was my phone order from the beautiful client service manager, Danny. Again, I say, if you watch that vlog, you will know what I'm talking about. Here's a client service manager here in Australia in headquarters. If you call client services and you're trying to find an item, please ask for Danny or ask for Serena, my like ex-SA in Bondi is in head office. She's working in there. So here is my, because it's a phone order, it's like an online order. So here's all my return slips and everything like that. I will share the price with you. And of course, a little card from Mr. Daniel. He always sprays my envelopes with the perfume. He's so gorgeous. He'll probably tell me what it is inside as well. But yes, he's just a ray of sunshine. I love talking to him. And if you watch that vlog, I said, I just want to buy something from him. Dear Jerusha, it's always a pleasure to speak with you and assist you with your Louis Vuitton. So, oh my gosh, the blank blank, if you didn't watch, will be another beautiful piece in your collection. Da, da, da. Oh, here we go. The new fragrances, Les Sable Roses, is what I have sprayed on the envelope for you today. Looking forward to speaking with you, Danny. All my love. Oh, hi, Danny. Thank you so much. So in this box is the item that I grabbed off my fantastic phone conversation with Danny. So here is the dust bag and voila! Ta-da! Here is the cosmetic case, monogram in the GM size. Just another cosmetic case to add to my collection, and I will, somebody asked, can I do like a cosmetic case, toiletry, makeup case collection video showing you the sizes, telling you the prices, and then showing you what I keep them. I absolutely can do that. I think I have done it in the past, but I will do it again because look, I'm pretty much, I think I'm done now. I think that's everything I wanted to collect unless something else kind of comes up. So this is the all over monogram in the GM size. I have it in the PM size. I did have this GM size, I did have this GM size in the damier bin. However, as I said before, I sold any other different prints because I wanted to just have monograms. Super classic, the whole collection. So this is what I meant by wipeable. So the whole interior is wipeable. If you spill lotions or your makeup brushes stain, you can wipe it off, as opposed to these. They're not makeup and toiletry cases, they're packing cubes. But I told you, I go against the grain. So the layout is a slip pocket on this side, a little lip gloss compartment on this side, and then your bigger slip pocket on this side. Here is textile card, and this item was made in France. So beautiful, and it's so beautiful. Like, it is literally brand spanking new. Brand spanking new. Beautiful shape as well. It's lovely. Thank you, Danny. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the red button below. It is free. I got asked the other day, does it cost money to subscribe to people's channels on YouTube? Absolutely not. It is completely free. It's not a subscription. I was thinking the other day that maybe Google should change the name from subscribe to follow, like Instagram, because you're just following us essentially. However, you do get notifications if you hit that bell of all our new uploads. Yes, so that would be great. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I hope everybody is doing really well, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.